Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day, and if you're new here, welcome to the dark side. In today's video, I'm creating these super easy wine red gel X nails. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So I'm switching it up today and I'm starting off with my nails not prepped, and I'm going to prep them on camera for you. This is the first time I've ever done this on my channel, but it's a really crucial and important part of the nail process, so I thought it would be good for me to show you how I clean up my cuticles.
I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But don't stutter till I fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, still in action. These days over my head, niggas be past 10. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I
So after I finish pushing back my cuticles, I'm going to use my hand file to file off the shininess of my nail because I still have some polish left over, some clear polish that I have. I usually do that in between my nail sets to strengthen my nail. So I'm just taking that off.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles.
For my nail tips, I'm using the ones I used in my previous video. These are medium stiletto soft gel tips. I call them almond shaped tips, but they're called stiletto. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to be using my Burano base coat glue and my LED flash curing lamp to cure down my nails.
It was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay, we'll see what's about to happen, we'll see what's about to happen, we'll see what's about to happen, 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 see what's about to happen.
In my habitat, aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatics. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Sneaky clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Shit, no shoes overseas, they were pan level. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best of. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button level. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia out of times out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. That's a pimp, fill up, feel like Bell.
So now I'm going to add some base coat to my nails before I add the color.
Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the peso. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet.
So for these nails, I'm using a wine red / burgundy color gel polish, and this is a really old gel polish. I don't know if they have these anymore, so I'm gonna link an equivalent to this down below in the description, but I highly doubt that this is still available on Amazon.
Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Weezy dripping, got these nigga wet. We on the Boominati way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I'm Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my break though. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved in this, very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Got a chair as a present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm passing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, sugar be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong, cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking a plan. It's so
And now for the final part, I'm going to top coat the nails.
living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
Qué rico tener que decir. No tengo que hacer mucho para calentar. ganas insisten, no se pueden aguantar. Baby, ya estamos solos, nadie molesta. Como me miran tus ojos, la voy a cara revienta. Baby, hoy te voy a chingar, el oído a brincarme. Siempre me vas a amar, yo soy el dueño de toda tu parte. Hoy te voy a chingar, voy a hacer que nunca puedas olvidarme. Tú y yo nos vamos a matar, hasta que te vengan te voy a quitarme. Esa lencería te quedó divina, y vamos pa'l party, nos quedamos en la cocina. Baby, la cuenta de todas las pedidas, pero ninguna como la primera en la piscina. Qué suerte, que soy yo el que puede comerme. ¿Qué hice para merecerte? Cada día que pienso en lo que siento muy fuerte.
Alrighty, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love these nails and how they came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any uploads from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!
Como